Hello guys, so welcome back to KLG Concept. And today we still have our three things to do. We still have our three things to do: our daily Cipher, our daily combo, and our mini game. So shall we start with mini game? I believe some of you may have done your daily Cipher, some of you may have done your daily combo, but some may not have done the mini game. So let us start with the mini game. Then if you haven't done any of these three, you can wait. Once you are done with this one, you are going to do all of them and you are going to partake on them, get your own done. Okay, let's quickly, by clicking there, click on play. So you drag this up, drag this up, drag this up. Okay, push this here, take this down, push this way, take this, push this here, take this up, take this to this side, take this down, okay, move this down like this, take it here, return this to up, then return this to this left hand side. You can decide to drag this one down, or you can decide to leave it up, then drag this one down here. So you see the game is over. You still have some minutes left. So if you touch this key now, boom, see it. Wow. So it is done. I hope you get it. Do your own as quick as you can. So our today's daily C5. Let's come to daily C5 for us to claim our 1 million. Today's own is chain. Okay, so as we know how we used to do it, chain, CHAIN. Then our C is dash dot dash dot. We have our C. Our H is dot in 4 places, 1 2 3 4. Then our A is dot dash. Our I is dot dot. Our N is dash dot. Here we have our 1 million prize for Cipher. So let's quickly go to daily combo for today. A daily combo for today. So daily combo we have for the first one. You scroll down on the market. First one is in the market. Buy div team. This one here. Buys div team. So you tap. We have the first one. So you move quickly to special. You go to special. We have new. Maybe if you haven't done it, you can get it from the new card. If you click on the new card here, you see it. So another card has been added. You can also tap on this, get this new card, add to the one you have. So then sleeping hamster, so you click on it. We got the 2. The next one is the YouTube. Depending on how many cards you have. For my own, I have to scroll down because I have many cards here. So you scroll to where you have your hamster YouTube channel. So here is mine. So I click on it. Wow, we made it 5 mil. So that is how to get all yours. You see, our work is done. We have complete everything here. Quickly subscribe, share, like, share to others, and try to subscribe. Click on that notification bell there, so that anytime a new video is being uploaded on this channel, you will be among the first to receive first-hand information. Okay, stay tuned for the tomorrow own. So this is for today, so let's stay tuned for the tomorrow own as it comes. We are going to run it down once again, so stay tuned, like and share to others. Remember, subscribe. Bye.